Hey everyone, let's get straight into this week's crypto market news. The president of El Salvador proposed to create a bank for Bitcoin investors. Tether CEO Paulo Arduino called Bitcoin the only decentralized currency that is governed only by mathematics and whose foundation cannot be changed. Circle printed 550 million USDC in 2 transactions. Currently, the capitalization of the stablecoin market is $162.5 billion, the lion's share of which is USDT, totaling $112.5 billion. Binance founder Changpeng Zhao owns 64% of BNB, valued at approximately $57 billion. He is ranked 24th on Forbes' list with a net worth of $61 billion. Miners reported a significant decrease in Bitcoin mining in May, down by almost 50% compared to last year's data. CryptoQuant analysts have stated that the average entry price for traders in Bitcoin is currently around $47,000. In a bull market, the price of BTC usually remains higher than the average entry price. Even though it has fallen by 27%, it can still be considered a bull market. Recently, the governor of Oklahoma made a significant move by exempting Bitcoin miners from the electricity tax. This decision marks a pivotal moment for the cryptocurrency industry in the state. In recent developments, the average cost of mining 1 Bitcoin has escalated to $74,600. This increase reflects the growing expenses associated with Bitcoin mining operations. In financial news, a Bloomberg analyst has recently announced that the launch date of spot Ethereum ETFs has been postponed to July 2nd. This delay signals a shift in the timeline for potential investors. In today's update, Bitcoin has taken a significant dip, dropping to $65,000. Meanwhile, altcoins haven't been spared either, experiencing a decline of 10 to 20%. On June 20th, the first spot Bitcoin ETF will debut on the Australian Stock Exchange, known as the ASX. SEC Chairman Gary Gensler's stance on cryptocurrencies could literally cost Joe Biden the election, says billionaire investor Mark Cuban. According to Bernstein, due to the growing demand from ETFs, BTC will reach $500,000 by 2030. Since the end of May 2014, cryptocurrency startups have raised $101.4 billion. Such data is provided by DeFi Llama. Ripple launches its own stablecoin, Ripple USD, RLUSD, on the XRP Ledger and Ethereum blockchains. Bitcoin will return to its growth trajectory amid weakening inflation. This was reported by 10x Research. SEC Chairman Gary Gensler foresees the launch of US spot ETFs on Ethereum this summer. Wall Street's greed could lead to the launch of new cryptocurrency ETFs based on Solana and Cardano, warns William Quigley, co-founder of Tether and Wax. TVL Open Network exceeds $605 million, ranking 15th in DeFi ecosystems. Dust, StoneFi, Tonstakers are in the lead. Tether has launched a new digital asset, named Alloy, or AUSDT, which is backed by physical gold stored securely in Switzerland. Recently, Cardano's native token, ADA, experienced a significant drop, falling by almost 10% to $0.4. This decline has notably affected the profits of its holders, with whales now controlling 28% of the supply. In a surprising turn of events, David Hirsch, the head of the SEC's Division of Crypto Assets and Cybersecurity, has announced his resignation. In Shaoxing, China, the prosecutor's office has made significant arrests in a case involving money laundering through the use of electronic Chinese yuan. The individuals involved now face prison time. Exciting news from Down Under, as the BTC ETF is officially approved for listing on Australia's largest stock exchange, the ASX. Over in Spain, police have apprehended the British hacker known as Tyler B. in connection with a massive Bitcoin theft scheme valued at $27 million. ZK Sync's native token, ZK, is now listed on major exchanges. It's trading at 25 cents with a market capitalization of $910 million. Former US House Speaker Ryan has proposed the use of dollar-backed stablecoins to boost the attractiveness of the dollar. The Chinese telecommunications giant, Coolpad, has invested $41.5 million in mining and cryptocurrency companies, expanding its operations into North America. The CEO of Binance has made a bold prediction, stating that Bitcoin will exceed $80,000 by 2024, with strong growth expected in 2025. In an exciting development, Coinbase will launch perpetual contracts for altcoins with a 50% margin before listing them on the main platform. Due to the new MiCA legislation, EU exchanges are removing several stablecoins, including USDT, DAI, FRAX, USD, USDP, and TUSD. In a recent analysis, it was found that 4,100 of the 10,000 top addresses that received ZK tokens from the L2 ZK Sync network have sold all their tokens. The total comes to 491 million ZK, which is approximately $110.1 million, according to Nansen. Last month, Solana users faced significant losses, with more than 150,000 SOL, equaling about $20 million, lost due to sandwich attacks. Ethena Labs is introducing a staking feature for the ENA token, offering rewards and high APY rates. The base number of DEX users on Coinbase's base reached a record high of 267,000, surpassing BNB and second only to Solana. Hedge funds' strategy could bring down Bitcoin and MicroStrategy, as Peter Schiff, president of Euro-Pacific, predicts. The BNB chain network will update BEP 336 to reduce transaction fees by up to 90% and improve performance. The Bitcoin market is entering a consolidation phase with gradual selling by long-term investors, which is causing price pressure. The CEO of Bitcoin magazine stated that the incompetence of the US government led to the loss of $12 billion through the BTC auction. Notcoin is transforming from a clicker to an independent platform for third-party projects. Binance CEO predicts that Bitcoin will exceed $80,000 by the end of the year, citing improved market conditions. The SEC ends its review of Ethereum 2.0 and will not assert that ETH sales are securities. The Layer 0 Foundation launches a web page to distribute ZRO tokens, claiming 1,280,000 eligible wallets. The developer of Trump Coin, DJT, turns out to be the son of Martin Shkreli. Controversy and investigations ensue. Louis Fed hints at supporting further monetary tightening if inflation rises above 2%. Asset manager Hashdex plans to launch a dual Bitcoin and Ethereum ETF on the Nasdaq. The German government wallet sent 6,500 BTC to an unknown person and 1,000 BTC to Kraken and Bitstamp. IMF experts suggest that CBDCs can improve the efficiency of cross-border payments, which is crucial for oil-producing countries in the Persian Gulf. The cryptocurrency market could trigger either a stock market crash or a quick rebound, according to a popular crypto trader. Bitcoin has approached the break-even point for speculators at $65,800. A potential correction to $60,000 is predicted. Extreme bearishness in altcoins is reminiscent of June 2021, hinting at a potential trend reversal. Cryptocurrency company Jump invests $10 million in a political party that promotes pro-cryptocurrency members of Congress and industry-friendly legislation. The price of XMR rose sharply, reaching $180, reversing the downward trend seen in February led by Binance. According to the data, the AI-related token sector grew by 14% in 24 hours, outperforming other sectors. Kenya has ended its investigation into WorldCoin, allowing the crypto startup to resume operations. MicroStrategy has acquired 11,931 BTC for $786 million and issued $800 million in convertible bonds, reports Michael Saylor. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to stay up to date with daily crypto news. See you next time.